North Carolina homeowner tears into a bathroom wall. He finds 3 snake skins behind the drywall.
Crazy, like ever. Or another idea could maybe be like a secret stash of like where all our money is, so that no bandits, no matter what happens, it's always protected by like lasers, lots and lots of cameras.
A
Just to
safe.
protect.
A
Safe.
secret safe.
Secret safe, exactly. It's amazing in there.
Hello, everyone. I'm Gary.
And I'm Graham.
And we're the
Integrity Guys.
We're recording our podcast. Thanks for joining us. Let's get right to it.
Oh, yeah.
Graham, we're going to play a game today called Would You Rather? Except these aren't normal questions. These are real homeowner problems. 2 bad options. You pick which one you'd rather deal with. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, Graham. Would you rather have a house with no gutters or a leaky roof?
I would rather have no gutters because if I had a leaky roof, it would be really sucky to like be woken up by water drips all over your head or possibly lead to a flood in your house. We do not want water anywhere near inside our house. We want it to stay out and about. What about you though, Dad?
Very good answer, Graham. Well, that's a hard one. I love roofs that don't leak, and I also love properly installed gutters. If I had to choose just one, I'd probably rather have no gutters than to have a leaky roof because I can totally fix the lack of gutters easier than fixing a roof with a leak.
Very true.
Graham, next question. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right. No attic insulation or peeling exterior paint. Which would you rather?
Good question, Dad. That's really hard to think of. I'd rather have no attic insulation because if I had exterior, if that was all nice and good, then I wouldn't have mold and mildew and gross dirt and water get stuck into my house possibly and like get gross in our house. And we don't want that to be in our house.
True.
And bugs of some sort.
Well, I'll tell you this. If I had to choose no attic insulation or peeling exterior paint, that would also be a hard one. But I think having attic insulation is second to having a waterproof exterior. And so peeling paint lets water get in and damage things. It causes wood to rot, mold and mildew to grow, and so much more. So for that reason, I agree. Well, Graham, I'd like to read this Reddit story, okay?
Okay.
North Carolina homeowner tears into a bathroom wall. He finds 3 snake skins behind the drywall. Then he finds more larger pieces underneath the home.
How did the snakes even get in there?
Well, with older homes, there's gaps and cracks and things that have to be sealed. Old homes hide things nobody has seen for decades. Most contractors walk away with surprises. We don't.
Wow.
So, homeowner takeaway, if you have an older home and want someone who won't walk off the job when something unexpected shows up, you want a remodeler who has seen it before. MI Remodelers has worked on old homes like yours in the past, and we have what it takes to get it done. All right, national news. Lawyer in Kentucky buys a house, finds a small door on the 2nd floor. He opens it. The room is completely filled with sand. The previous owners built it as an indoor sandbox for their kids.
Dad, if you could build a secret room in the house, what would you build and how would you do it?
Well, we love playing Frisbee, don't we?
For sure.
If I could build anything, I suppose I'd build a hidden room. It was so big that we could throw a Frisbee.
And maybe we could like play soccer, question
Wouldn't that be cool?
like a medium or like a gym. So then we could like play soccer, we could play Batman tag, we could play like dribbling the ball or pass or Frisbee, all the things.
I love it. So a secret gym. Well, there'd be some structural requirements for that, wouldn't there? You probably need about 80 light bulbs now. Have to have some building permits for that. The city wants to inspect around, I'm sure.
Or another idea could maybe be like a secret stash of like where all our money is, so then like it would be protected, like so no bandits, no matter what happens, it's always protected by like lasers, lots and lots of cameras, anywhere, anything.
A
Just
safe.
to protect.
A
Safe.
secret safe.
A secret safe, exactly.
Graham, would you believe that this is actually one of the most popular homeowner asks in a new home these days?
Really?
Everyone wants a secret safe room. When you sell that home, you have to disclose it, though, to the future owners. So we would say, home for sale with a giant gymnasium and a secret safe room. Wouldn't that be neat?
Oh, yeah.
Homeowner takeaway. Sellers are required to disclose known features. If you find something that was never mentioned, talk to a real estate attorney.
Dad, what's the biggest project you've ever worked on?
Well, your dad has worked on a few real big ones. The one that comes to mind right now is the wonderful Wade family in Oxford. Kathy, I hope you're listening. This project was a wonderful job for our company, MI Remodelers. This home had structural failure. It had a series of very unattractive roof lines. It had challenges with air sealing. And this particular home has a boathouse that has been around so long it's grandfathered in. Today you can't build a house as close to the water as the Wade family has their boathouse.
That is crazy, like ever.
Graham, I'd like to take a minute just to talk about some things we've been experiencing at work lately. This week, we had 2 different homeowners ask us to come out and give them some ideas for bathroom remodeling. One family had a small congested bathroom with an old jacuzzi tub, and it was taking up a lot of space, and the owners only used it 2 times. So they gave me the flexibility to design their future space. In 1 hour, I was able to get rid of that jacuzzi tub, find room for a huge honkin' shower, 4 foot by 8 foot, with a built-in niche, heat lamps to dry you off when you get out of that big shower, European glass, and large format tile.
Dang, that is some crazy, amazing bathroom looking. If it had a big 4-foot shower, question mark?
4 foot by 8 foot.
Indeed, and it had a nice tile on the bottom. That is definitely cool. Making the bath nice and big, the bathroom nice and big.
Oh yeah, and by reworking the existing room, we were able to add a linen closet where this family didn't have any place to store their towels, and ultimately we improved how this room will work for this family.
That is amazing because that family always wants to have a good bathroom.
They said they had 3 people come out. Both of the other folks that were invited out spent about 10 or 15 minutes with them, gave them a ballpark number, and said, call me if you're interested. Not one of those other companies was willing to invest in the process of doing a thoughtful design. I inspected their basement. I inspected the bathroom. I took measurements. I sat with them. I understood what mattered, and I was able to design a solution that I bet will be agreeable soon for the family.
I hope that family really, really likes that bathroom and is happy with it. And whoever does live there, hopefully he does, for sure.
You love your mom's shower, don't you?
Oh yeah, really much.
It's big and there's a seat in there, isn't there?
It's amazing in there.
That's a perfect example of how the guys at MI Remodelers help people on the regular. We listen to what their frustrations and their pain points are. We understand what you can and can't do to a home. And so we can expertly assist any homeowner in receiving quality home improvements.
Oh yeah.
The old-fashioned way of doing it is that you would discover things along the way and you'd make changes. Nowadays, if you invest in the process, we can actually simplify everything for us and for them, allowing this project to be done on time and on budget.
That is how you get it done. It's a lot of work, but it's our jam!
Graham, thank you for coming on today with me. I'm so grateful for you.
Thank you, too. I love doing podcasts.
It's always fun when you come in studio with me.
Thank you. It's the best.
Well, Graham will be off leveling and squaring things and using a drill and hammer in no time, I'm sure.
For sure.
But until then, Graham, would you sign us off?
Don't forget to call 888 544-7366. And don't forget to tell them Graham sent ya.